ServiceNow versus Intercom, which is the best help desk software? If you're looking for the right solution to streamline support, reduce response times, and improve customer experience, then stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know which one is right for your business, or if there's an even better option. First up, ServiceNow. It's a powerhouse in IT service management, built for enterprises needing advanced automation, workflows, and integrations. If you run a large organization with complex support needs, ServiceNow can handle everything from ticketing to AI-powered chatbots. But that power comes at a cost, literally. It's expensive, has a steep learning curve, and requires dedicated setup and management. If you're a smaller team or need quick deployment, ServiceNow might feel like overkill. On the other side, there's Intercom. Intercom is built around conversational support, with a strong focus on live chat, AI automation, and self-service tools. It's great for fast-moving businesses that want a modern, customer-friendly approach. The UI is clean, easy to use, and their chatbot is among the best. But there's a catch: Intercom gets expensive as you scale, pricing is based on usage, and if you need deep IT service management capabilities, it falls short compared to ServiceNow. Next thing, customization. ServiceNow offers deep workflow customization, making it great for IT service desks with complex needs. You can automate processes at an enterprise level, but it requires heavy configuration. Intercom, on the other hand, is much easier to set up, but is more restrictive when it comes to advanced workflow automation. The fourth thing, scalability. ServiceNow is built for scaling. Large corporations rely on it because it integrates with almost everything and can handle massive volumes of support requests. Intercom scales well for customer support teams, but lacks enterprise-level IT service management features, making it less ideal for large-scale internal IT operations. Lastly, pricing. ServiceNow is notoriously expensive, with costs that can easily exceed 6 figures per year, depending on your needs. Intercom starts more affordably, but quickly adds up as your team and user interactions grow. Hidden costs in both platforms can be a problem if you don't anticipate them. So, which is better? It depends. If you need deep ID SIM features for a large organization, ServiceNow wins. If you want a user-friendly, chat-based experience, Intercom is better. But if you're looking for a help desk solution that balances ease of use, automation, and cost-effectiveness, there's actually a better option. After testing all of them myself, I found an alternative that offers the best of both worlds: powerful automation without the complexity, and a cost that makes sense. If you want to see why this alternative is the best help desk software for your business, check out the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.